Karen.
And Jay.
With the Thrifty Flamingo. We want to know what your biggest challenge is on Poshmark. We're trying to come up with content for you, and we really want to help you out and grow your Poshmark business. So we want to know what's holding you back.
Not just for the women, but for the guys too, because I want to get a lot of guys involved in Poshmark. It's not just a site for women right now, but it's predominantly women at the moment. So we're trying to get more guys involved. So if you're trying to make some extra money and you don't know what Poshmark is, watch some of our videos. If you're still learning, then send us an idea for a video, and we'll feature that in one of our next videos. We'll touch on your topics. I know some of the topics we've gotten so far are negotiations and how to structure your Poshmark closet, things like that. So anything that's holding you back right now in Poshmark, just send us an idea and we'll shoot a video and try and help you guys out.
Yeah, just leave it in the comments below. Jay has received some positive feedback, so he's going to be coming on my videos a lot more often.
Exciting news.
Yeah, he likes it. I like it. You guys apparently like it. So it is a we and not an I anymore. I'm okay with that. So yeah, just leave a comment below. You know, it could be anything. It could be about, you know, starting, even if you are a veteran and you're having issues. Any question you want, leave it in the comments below. We will be sure to help you out and tackle that. Anything, like what's holding you back and keeping you from making money.
That's our main goal. We all want to make money with this business, and we can make it a business and grow it into a business, and it doesn't just have to be part-time. You can move full-time eventually. You can move down the road, expand, grow, and just make this a business, and that's what it really is.
Whether you're having difficulties with photography, I know I made quite a few videos on photography. You're always growing with that. I'm always growing with that. You know, sometimes I look at photos that I took early on in my Poshmark career, and it's like, whoa, I'm surprised that even sold.
Yeah, she used to take pictures on her old bed and just flat lays out there, and there was no styling to it or no quality photos.
You had to work with what you had.
Done with natural lighting. We didn't have lighting kits back then, and we had
a condo that didn't have much natural lighting in it. Condo, you have like walls on both sides because you have neighbors on both sides, and you have like the side windows. We really had crappy lighting. So I had to make do with what I had. I used my bedspread, you know, so it is just learning and growing and saying, okay, what do I have for photography, and how do I get better at it? You know, maybe that's not your issue. Maybe it is growing your following. Maybe it is the actual logistics of it and networking with people, getting to know different PFFs and learning, you know, their style and connecting with people on the app. Social media doesn't come naturally to some people, right?
Right. I was never a big social media guy, and I'm just learning how to do that stuff now, and it's a learning experience for me. So I know social media is a big question out there, and that there's a lot to be learned about social media, but it's a great tool, and it really, really can help you out tremendously. So social media is key to this business, and just ask us questions. Anything you want to know, really. Anything that's on your mind, from sourcing to policies to anything that crosses your mind. Just shoot us a comment, and we will do our best to answer everybody.
Yeah, you know, we want everybody to grow, and we want you all to learn, so I don't want anything holding you back, no matter how big or small you may think it is. There's nothing too small. There's nothing too irrelevant. Just ask us whatever you need to, and we'll be sure to tackle it.
No stupid questions.
Yeah, right?
Every question is a great question, so there's no stupid questions out there.
The only stupid question is the question never asked.
And we're going to be snowed in all day today because it's a snow day, so shoot us your comments and we can get back to you ASAP.
Yep. All right, so thank you for listening. I'm here for you. Jay's here for you. And we'll be talking to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.